And then, oh, I already love this, you all. It's a shirt. Hey everyone, this is Whitney. Thanks for coming to my channel and watching this video. Today, I am going to be unboxing my December 2021 brown sugar box. This is my second brown sugar box that I've received since I subscribed. The last box was really good, got some really good items. Definitely go and check out the November unboxing to see what I got last month. But super excited to open this one up and see what I got this time. I have not snuck a peek at this at all, so I have no idea what's in this box, but I'm super excited to check it out. Before I get into this video, definitely like it if you like it. Leave a comment below. I always love to hear from people who watch my videos. I love to get any type of feedback, or if you're a brown sugar box subscriber, let me know how you felt about the December box. And yeah, definitely subscribe if you like my content and want to be notified when I come out with new videos. Just subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Before we actually get into the unboxing, I want to show off my shirt a little bit right here. For all my 90s babies, I know y'all remember Sailor Moon. That was definitely my show coming up as a kid. I love that show. So I was super excited to find this shirt on Fashion Nova. Unfortunately, I don't see it up there on their site anymore. I just checked the other day, but yeah, they don't have this shirt anymore. But I wanted to show off my Sailor Moon shirt. I love this shirt already. One thing I will say about Fashion Nova, you all, is I ordered this shirt as well as I ordered a pair of ripped distressed jeans. The jeans didn't fit, and this is my fault because I didn't know that Fashion Nova does not let you ship back products returned like free of charge. Like, they literally charge you to ship products back to them. It was like $3.99, which is still, that's taken out of the money that I already spent to buy the product in the first place. And then on top of that, they won't refund you back your money or give you an exchange. Like, I literally did not want a new pair of pants, even though the pants didn't fit. I just wanted to get another size, but I had to pay to ship it back, and then I had to get a store credit. So y'all, just on my soapbox a little bit, just watch out shopping from Fashion Nova. I know a lot of people love that, but I think this is some kind of new thing they have going on. So just FYI, but I did get this shirt from them and I love it. So yeah, I just have to show my Moon Prism Power Pride with my Sailor Moon shirt right there in case anybody was wondering. So in the previous brown sugar box unboxing video, I kind of went over what the brown sugar box is and talked a little bit about Izzy and Liv. So I'm not really going to go over that in this video. If you're interested, I'll put a link below to their website so you can check out and learn more about the subscription if you're interested. So yeah, definitely check them out because I really like my November box and I'm super excited to see what I got for December. All right. With all that said, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so I'm already excited about this, you all. So this is what it looks like inside. And how they do their boxes is it comes with a magazine, the Brown Sugar Box magazine. And I really like this magazine. It's nice. I like the model, how they have her looking is really pretty. And inside the magazine, they'll actually have a breakdown of all the products that are in the box. So that's really nice. So I'll keep it over to the side and I'll give you all some prices so you all know how much in total value we got in this month's box. Okay, so the first item I'm pulling out is this. It looks like a jewelry box. Okay, so opening the box. Oh, nice. Look at this, you all. It is a bracelet. This is really cute. It has little charms on it. It says like Queen. Oop, came right out. Has little charms on it. It says like Queen on there and has a crown. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. A nice bracelet. And it says it is real gold plated. So that's nice. So this is the Bling charm bracelet, and it's $24, and you could have got one of 2 different types of bracelet. Oh, so this is really cute. I like this. Really cute. Okay, so that's item number 1. So that is our Bling charm bracelet, and it's, like I said, you all, it is real gold plated, so that's nice. All right, so item number 2 is this. All right, you all, I had to get that out of the bag and the packaging to see exactly what that was, and it took me a minute. So it looks like this is a tote bag. So it's a tote bag that you can fold back up into this little sack right here. And actually, you know what's funny about this is that I do not even see this on the list of products. Maybe I am missing something. Nope, I don't even see this on the list. I don't even know what this is. Maybe this is something extra that they just threw in at the last minute. But yeah, this is like a tote bag. This is a nice tote bag. I just have such an issue with putting stuff back in little pouches / sacks like this. Like, I don't know, I just cannot do that. But this is a nice little sack, and I mean, I go to Aldi's and stuff and shop, so this might come in handy with stuff like that. So that's item number 2, and unfortunately it is not in the magazine, so I have no idea how much that costs. Product number 3 is this. So this is item number 3. This is the classic acrylic clutch with pouch insert. Oh, so I like this. If y'all can read that. It says Peace, Luxe, Melanin. Sorry, y'all, my ring light is reflecting on that. So this is cute. This is really cute. This is different. This is cool. Like, you get the little plastic sides, and then this pops out. This is cute. This is like a very like New Year's like esque look right here. I like that with the your clear tote, and it also comes with straps to hook on here. But this is $35. It's a cute little clutch. I like this. It's very different. I don't have anything like this. So item number 4 is this. So this is item number 4. This is the Satin Cami plus shorts 2-piece set, and this is $40, and it came in one of 6 designs. So this is the one I got. This is really cute. This is a nice little sleep set. So it does have a weird smell to it, y'all. Maybe if I wash it, it'll get that weird smell out. But otherwise, this is a cute little satin cami set, and the price on that is $40. So really, the price of this box for me to subscribe is like $39.99. So just this cami set alone is pretty much the price of the box. So you do get a pretty good value by being a subscriber. And then, oh, I already love this, you all. It's a shirt. Alright, y'all, so this is the shirt. Super cute, long sleeve shirt. It is there. A Touch of Elegance Tee, and it is $28. Super cute. I love this, and it's great. I love little long sleeve tees for the fall / winter time, so this is perfect, and it's very vibrant and pink. I really like this. Cute, cute, cute. And that's something that every box, they give you some kind of clothing item / a shirt. So that's something that you know is going to be in the box. So it's something to look forward to, and I really like. So this is something I would definitely wear. And the size I got is small, but I think it comes in small / extra small. So yeah, and from what I heard from other people saying that the clothing runs a little large. So just something to keep in mind if you decide to subscribe, that you might want to size down or stay at your normal size. All right, and last but not least is the 2022 Black Girl Magic Calendar. This is awesome because I do really need a calendar for 2022. Let me flip through here a little bit, see if I can show you all some of the pages. Ooh, the artwork in here is gorgeous. So pretty. Let's show you all a few. This is really pretty. I love that. A lot of Black Girl Magic indeed. And this is the 2022 Black Girl Magic Wall Calendar for $12. So that's really nice. And that's the entire box, you all. So let me do my recap. So we got the 2022 Black Girl Magic Wall Calendar for $12. I got the Touch of Elegance Tee. This is $28. I got the Satin, Cami, and Shorts 2-piece set for $40. Got this random tote bag that folds up into this little pouch. Have no idea how much this was. I guess this is just something they threw into the bag as an extra. The box as an extra was something I'm not mad about. I'll take it. We got the classic acrylic clutch with pouch insert. That's a $35 value right there. And then we also got the Bling charm bracelet for 24 bucks. Yeah, so this is a really good box. So far I have been really liking my Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. Like, they have been given some really great products, so I'm really happy with my subscription. So I will be keeping it for at least a few more months and get me some more shirts. I think just looking at everything, just on first impression, what I'm most excited about, definitely my shirt, because like I can wear this now. Like, we have weird weather right now here in the South. Like, we're going from like 50s to 70s. So this long sleeve shirt is perfect for like those 60, 70 degree days. And then throwing like, I don't know, like like some kind of like jacket or zip up hoodie over top of this would be really cute. So that's really nice. And also, I don't know, my calendar's awesome. I'm really excited. I will use this calendar up. Love the designs inside. And then also, I love clothes, you all. The pandemic has really hurt me because I work from home. So I'm like, there's no reason for me to go out and shop and stuff. So this is nice to get nice little pieces like this. So I'm excited about this as well. So yeah, so another unboxing brown sugar box complete. Definitely in the comments below, let me know what you think about this box. Let me know if you're a brown sugar box subscriber. If you have any questions about the subscription or the box, just let me know in the comments below. Would love to hear that. Definitely like this video if you liked it. And subscribe. I'd really, really appreciate that. I'll link the November brown sugar box unboxing here, somewhere up here, so you all can have easy access to that, and you can go back and watch that as well. And I also will put a link to more information about Izzy and Liz and the brown sugar box in the notes below. All right, thank you so much for watching my video. See you guys next time. Bye.